Hello and welcome. In today's video, I will show how to run t-test in Stata for multiple variables and then export those results including t-values and p-values into an Excel file. Let's get started. The first step is to define the variables you want to analyze in Stata. We create a local macro to store the list of variables you can see here with. Here I have defined a local macro called vars, which contains all variables I want to test. In the next step, we specify the path where our result will be saved. This is important to ensure Stata knows where to write the output file. Now we will create the headers for our Excel file. This step ensures our results are clearly organized in the output file. So you can see here the codes, you can use these codes. We are setting the file, then adding headers for the variable name, group names, t-values and p-values. Next, we loop through each variable, run the t-test and store the results. Then we export this result to our Excel file. You can see here the all codes that I have written here. This loop does several things. It runs the t-test for each variable, extract the t-values, p-values and group names, and writes these results to a specified row in the Excel file. Finally, after writing this loop, you can run the codes. Stata will perform the t-test and save all the results in the Excel file. Here is what the output looks like. Each variable is listed with its corresponding group means, t-value and p-value neatly organized in the Excel file. And that is it. We have finally exported t-test results from Stata to Excel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.